Hey guys, welcome to Hat Workshop. In today's video, we're going to be making a surf skate. So the reason for this is, in Thailand, surf skating has become very popular in the past few weeks. And so all of the surf skateboards that you used to be able to buy out there are all out of stock. And the prices are insanely high. So also, the parts are also out of stock. So with this skateboard that I'm about to show you how to build and what parts to get, all the pieces are mostly available, and it is a whole lot cheaper than buying a complete skateboard, even at normal prices. So let's get started. So as you can see here, these are all the components for the build today, and the most expensive and most important one is the waterborne surf and rail adapter. So this is the rail adapter and that is the surf adapter. So this makes the whole thing work by converting normal skateboard trucks into Surfskate. So basically, the deck is also I bought from Decathlon. I chose to do that because it's already bent, and so bending wood is quite hard unless you use veneer, which takes quite a bit of time. So this is a good choice. And I'm just gonna shape it into a Surfskate deck so it looks a lot more fitting. The trucks here are also Decathlon Fury trucks. So all of these materials will be linked down in the description in case you want to go check them out. And the Decathlon links are for in Thailand, so they're probably also in other countries, but the links are in Thailand. So now let's get started with the build, and the wheels and grip tape will come later in the episode. So that was a quick and fun time lapse. So the whole assembly process took me about an hour. Yeah, about an hour. So it's also pretty easy to do since you only need a wrench. If you don't have one, you can use pliers, Phillips head screwdriver, and I use my drill to help some places, but I think using your hands is a better idea so you don't over tighten it. And it's pretty simple. You put on the trucks, and then you put the trucks with the adapter onto the board. Very simple. Also, one more thing you have to do with this particular board is that you have to countersink the holes underneath. So as you can see there, the screws are perfectly flush, so I just used the countersinking bit. So now I'm waiting for the wheels and the grip tape, but we won't put on the grip tape yet because in the next episode of this series, I'm gonna be turning this wood into the shape of a surf skate. So next step, wheels. So here are the wheels that I ordered, and they're right here. And as you can see, I ordered them with some bearings as well since they don't come with bearings. So these are Puente 65mm wheels, so 6.5 centimeters. These are very nice quality, and it's 1,600 baht, so the price range is pretty good. So the bearings I ordered are Bones Red, so these are also pretty good, and there's two that goes on each wheel. In the front, which has the logo of Puente, and on the back, the wheels are facing out, so the bearings are the red, like the covers are outside. So if you look inside, you'll see the ball bearings. So now I'm gonna do a quick time lapse showing you putting in with this one wheel and assembling all of it onto the skateboard. So as you might have noticed on my skateboard, it is finished, but it doesn't have grip tape and a deck design on it. So that is reserved for our next episode, where we'll be making a design on the grip tape cutout, and we're going to be painting the back with some cool art. So also don't judge my surf skating skills, I am still learning as well. So stay tuned for that, and if you like this video, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Bye!